shoes.
Vea vinakataki mau vitória na Fullback. Bala tau na lingkungan na polimuri au saron rei na mga ngalalau di bikina.
Buna, straight through. Let the crowd tell the story yet again. Aelaite Buna. The Wonder Woman with the jet shoes. And she runs the Fijian Drua women into another decider.
Ando dividir talenga na kalelebu na fo de batau kila ni sengra ni tombo kiau. Au santau taranga na pola au vivi bana banua ngalawa ki vitória fo.
But it is play on quickly. Boko, Uno, and through their hands they go. Rossa, they continue to work to the short side. Lumu got the ball away to Buna! The flying Buna! Buna the bullet! Call you up! Oh my goodness, she has got jet shoes.
Yeah, she's in again. She scored in the first half. I said it won't be the last one she's got, and she's got 5 in the last 3 games. Get the ball into her hands, and I think the Drua will do really well this game.
Kasi nama kasar ni nama yado puna panu yado puna bakingo. Tawa gitu netball tu ngamai, kami basauri nunggu mai switch wanaraka. Sampai tahu sana buah ni nunggu be meruri, nembak go mai tim sarkin ninggo. Tangga itik bungana baki saoti. Okila ni cikuna talian di mai yakina na vitu na skona lumnya.
Well done.
Nuku. Freeman again. Salter wasn't expecting it, and Buna scoops it up. No one is stopping Atelaite Buna. And for the 3rd time in 2 weeks, she streams away.
Wing, tutu banga unisarang kento lakuin na polisau yo ngalal talanga kento rawan yo di mai sonang uno vivi sana defense na rani tombo ki ko rani tutu ngai mata una defense ni tu mai muri orang rei na bona ngalal na bona na di batalanga mata mantanga ngai mai rei virtu mata guna ngana udur mai kina bana timinin rua wakau kai dal takir totali. Bibi o coach moji batake coach mbai untuk sara virtu tunga bana TV umar tak nurto mai bilita ki lebuna ka buli da virtu lebuna ka rto buli da biau no gumal malum ondo bul mekina umar tak sarba lebuna nurto mai betum berina lumanya bangona longu rakabi lawan timi kita untuk light tu kita untuk one ID. Baltanon redau wasale benaru batake iya kita na bana kita cikina kita na kos-kosat.
It's stripped back. It's a dangerous ball, but there are plenty of white jerseys. Here's Thumu, and out they go Vani right. Buna on the far wing. Buna's been dangerous the past few weeks, and Buna's away. Buna going through the Rebels' defence and will charge under the posts. Aelaite Buna and the Fijian Drua, a near perfect start.
That is just Fiji at their finest. Goes to show that when you have possession against a pacey side like